In this video, I will guide you on how to make all YouTube videos private at once. First, open up any web browser. Now head over to youtube.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to click on the profile icon. Here click on the option of YouTube Studio. Or you can directly head over to studio.youtube.com and sign into your channel as well. Now you want to click on the option of content from the left hand side panel. Here you're going to find all of your videos. Now click on this box and then select all the videos. Once you have selected all of them, find the option of edit. Click on this drop down. Now find the option of visibility. Click on that. Here you have this drop down. If it is set to public or unlisted, then you want to click on the private option over here. Once you have selected that, click on the update videos option. Now you want to wait for some time until this change has been made. Then YouTube will update the visibility of all the selected videos to private. And that's how you can make all your YouTube videos private at once. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.